Before you start working in the live forecast module, it's important to verify the data you are working with is up to date and accurate. You will also need to verify that your daily live forecast for the coming period is as accurate as possible. Both these checks can be done using the Actionable Insights widget. Actionable Insights highlights three main issues to review. Firstly, missing data files. This is a critical issue as it means that relevant data has not been imported to PMI as it should. Secondly, OTB alert. Your on the books value seems significantly too high or too low for specific days. And thirdly, forecast alert. Your forecast values seems too high or too low for certain days. So let's look at how to deal with each of these alerts. Data files are missing. A missing file may mean that you're working with incorrect data, so needs to be resolved as soon as possible. And to fix this, check the import status and notify your IT team or person responsible to review and fix the issue. Once the file is imported, the alert will no longer show. For OTB and forecast alerts, click Review and Take Action to view the values that have caused the alert. If you are confident the value is correct, select This is correct. If there is an issue, but you are unable to resolve it, select Snooze. The alert will show again tomorrow if the issue is still there. And if a change is needed or you need some more context, click the pop-out icon, which takes you to the relevant day in the table. Here you can review all the values. Click the robot icon, make your change. Once done, select Save. And that's it. Reviewing and verifying these figures daily ensures that the live forecast is up to date, accurate, and with no major errors. Thank you and take care.